Hello and welcome back to the bathroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a loose toilet seat that no matter how often you tighten it, it will wiggle or loose. This is actually quite tame in comparison to others that I've seen. So let's get to it. On the back of the toilet seat, you will see these flaps. If you lift it up, or your style may be slightly different, but chances are you're going to have these screws here. They're plastic screws. These come loose over time. Some of them have washers on the other side. Others have just what you see here, which is this plastic bolt, screw, and nut. This is PTFE thread seal tape. This is called plumber's tape, and this is basically Teflon tape. What we're going to do is use this for something that's not typically used for. Usually you want to use this to create a seal between metal threads of a pipe that is carrying water. In this case, all we're doing is thickening up the threads, if you will. We're making it a little bit beefier so that when we put that plastic nut on, it has something more to grab to and something that will create some friction and resistance from coming loose. So we are just going to wrap these threads with this tape, which is more like a film. It's not adhesive at all. And I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this up. It's at most hardware stores, but if you just want to buy it online, you can do that too. As you can see, it's binding a little bit. I really am not worried about how this is applying too much, because really we're using this just to create some friction and resistance. Just breaks right off, just like that. Now, instead of using something like this, which is what I would use if it was a metal screw, this is called thread locker. There's different grades and strengths. This is blue, which is medium strength. Red is higher strength than this. We're essentially creating something like a thread locker using the Teflon tape. I've never actually used thread locker on plastic. I usually just use this for metal nuts and bolts, but because it's plastic, we're just going to be using the Teflon tape. So we'll go ahead and put it in the slot here and secure it from the underside. You don't want to over tighten this, but you should be able to feel that it's much more secure, and this should save you from having a toilet seat come loose again. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. If you want more videos like this, click the subscribe button, and it would really help me out if you give this video a thumbs up, and if you wanted to even throw in a tip, I have a link for a tip jar in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.